Miss Llona Geiger, how does it feel to be honored as a Silver Star?
Well, I was quite surprised. I'm still trying to figure out who nominated me because I want to thank them. It was such a surprising honor, and it helped me understand that what I was doing was meaningful.
What was it like to live in Germany?
I was born in the middle of World War II. We had to walk everywhere. There was no transportation. And I spent the first 2 years of my life in a bomb shelter every night. I thought that was normal. And I was told I would sing and entertain people. But in retrospect, it wasn't normal.
What was your biggest accomplishment?
Oh, do I have to pick one? Well, I have to preface that by telling you that when I was growing up in Germany, I told myself when I got adult, I would visit every continent on Earth, and I would dip my toe in every ocean. And I did that. And I think that's an accomplishment that I cherish every day. And then, of course, having children and raising them and helping my granddaughter go through college, all of that. But when I think about it, the most unique thing is this desire to travel.
Why did you want to be a fitness instructor?
Before I was a fitness instructor, I had a stressful job. If I were to go home and then try to exercise, that didn't work for me. So I would go into a class, and it didn't matter what kind of class it was, anything that would get me breathing hard, sweating, and get a lot of stress out. And I decided when I retired, I decided to completely retrain as a fitness instructor, because particularly for older people, they're not going to stand in front of the TV and have a DVD plugged in and then do the kinds of things I do with them in class. It takes a kind of a social component to make it happen. It's a real sense of accomplishment for them and for me too.
What is the best advice you have received?
The best advice I ever got is be yourself and be kind and be curious. And I've tried to live that way.
Miss Llona Geiger, why is the Silver Star program important to Tallahassee?
When you get kind of to my age, you tend to get overlooked, but we still have a life and we have a passion. And to be honored for that, I think, is not only good for us, but it's also good for people like you who understand that life doesn't stop at 20. It goes on. And we have to have goals and we have to have purpose in life. And so, yes, I think that's very important to honor people, and I'm quite proud.